Hello and greetings from VIP Kidland. Did you know you can make an extra $8 in incentives this month? You can, and it's really easy. You can buy that gift for a loved one just by working 56 peak time slots in the month of December. Now, there's a catch. You need to open them up before the 24-hour mark. If you open them up afterwards and you get short notice, you're not going to get the incentive. You may get the extra $2 per class, and 56 times 2 is 112, but you want the $8 instead, so definitely do not do that. You want the $8 incentive. So with this $8 incentive, you can buy a gift for a loved one, and you might be wondering what you can buy for $8, and there is a lot. You can go to Amazon.com and search for gifts under $10. Now, remember, you can't buy everything on there because most gifts will be over $8. So what you can do is sort price low to high and just search for something you want. But remember, once you get to $7.99, you got to cut it off. You got to cut it off. And with the $8, you also got to account for the taxes being taken out. So maybe stick to like $6. Okay, so you want a gift under $6. So we can do this together. We can have a great Christmas. We can buy great presents for our families and teach these lovely children in China at the same time. It's a win-win for everyone. Merry Christmas and happy teaching.